menunaikan zakat perniagaan sebanyak ringgit Malaysia RM3,155,678 dan 55 sen bagi tahun berakhir 2025 kerana Allah Taala.
Oh Muhammad, peace and blessings on you every day. Alayka sallallahu, oh Muhammad, you inspire me in every way. I promise that wherever I go, whenever I pray, I'll be sending you praise with the words that I say. Rasulullah, oh Muhammad, peace and blessings on you every